YouTube, what's going on? Back at it again with another video. You see what's going on. I got the alternator right there, about to go ahead and replace this one. My truck has been, I've been keeping an eye on the battery gauge, and it's been below 14 numerous times, so that kind of indicates to me that the alternator is going bad. I also noticed that some of my electronics in the car, my windows and everything, they weren't rolling up and down as fast. So once again, that definitely confirms that it is the alternator. So today with this, very easy and straightforward so far. As you can see, the alternator is up top. Really just had to remove kind of like this air inlet right there to the throttle body. You also got to remove the, I call this like a fan shroud right there. 4 bolts for that, you know, 2 8mm. Plus you got to remove the upper radiator hose from the clamps. Very straightforward. You got to take the belt off. So I got the 15 right there on the, right there to get the belt off. So I just unplugged the connector, and now I'm about to take off that power gauge to the wire. Looks like that's about a 10mm, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna actually just go ahead and get this replaced. Looks like it's also 2 bolts right there that's actually holding the alternator in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this replaced, and I'll catch y'all here in a second. All right, YouTube, and just like that, we got that new alternator on. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and change this oil. So the first thing I'm gonna do, let's take off this oil cap right here, and I'm gonna get underneath and drain the oil. All right, so I got the oil draining right there. About to go ahead and attack this oil filter next. So I'm gonna get that off, and I'll meet y'all up top. I am now gonna reset the oil light. So you just want the key in the on position, and then press the gas pedal 3 times. And then hold it for 10 seconds. And you'll see it start to flash. Once that battery light goes off or on, turn the key off, wait about 10 seconds. And then go ahead and start it. And the light should be off. Easy as that. I'm gonna go ahead and check this dipstick now. By the way, it was 6 quarts of oil, 5W30. I like to use Advanced Full Synthetic, kind of like that one right there, Mobile One always. All right, so I'm gonna check this dipstick now, have the truck running, and it is perfect. Don't know if y'all saw that, but we are all set with the oil change. I'm trying to put this dipstick back in here. Fuck, come on. All right, there we go. Easy money. Okay, so we are all done with the little maintenance work on the Silverado today. Did an alternator. Also did an oil change, and that is pretty much it for this truck for today. So I'm actually gonna make a video right after this. I'm gonna talk about my plans for the truck as well as my plans for the Camaro. It's gonna be an in-depth video, and it's gonna break it down. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be right after this video. So thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.